In today's video, I will walk you through how to write text vertically in Google Sheets. Select the cell or cells where you want the vertical text to appear. Click once for a single cell, or click and drag to select multiple cells. Go to the top menu bar and find the text rotation icon. It may look like a slanted letter A or a vertical line symbol. Hover over the icons if you need to confirm the correct one. Click the text rotation icon to open a drop-down menu with rotation options. Choose either vertical text or stack vertically. Vertical text rotates the letters so the word runs from top to bottom. Stack vertically places each letter one under the other in a straight column. You can also see other rotation options, but select one of these vertical styles. The text in your selected cells will update immediately after you choose an option. The column or row may adjust automatically to fit the new layout. Press Enter to confirm the change in the cell. If you want to adjust more cells, repeat the same steps by selecting the cells and choosing a different rotation option.